let's talk about the four cheeses. First of all, we have the eccentric. This is a cheese that is ripened for 5 months. It's buttery and smooth. So I always say it has a very buttery flavor. And a nice thing about this is that you could pair it with a Cabernet Sauvignon, and then you can really taste the difference of this cheese compared to other cheeses. Because of its butteriness, but also, yeah, it's ripened taste, so the crystals that are inside it. It's very, yeah, how do you say, comforting. So a lot of people that like to eat older cheeses, but they don't like the dryness of this older cheese. This is a perfect cheese, yeah, to try.